Links Entertainment versus NKZ. My people, Guru and Kuami Eugene now, they on serious fire. For now, when you know them, they be musicians. In fact, when they look for musicians, now them they hold everything. And right now, Kuami Eugene, you don't dey vex, like serious vex. It be like say you don't make up your mind, say you don't care about anybody again. But meanwhile, make I give you a like short summary of wetin bring this whole kasala. As una wey no know, for una wey no know, Kuami Eugene na one of the hottest musician wey dey reign now. In fact, that guy small but mighty, they give us hot. And right now, in the Links Entertainment, wey im boss na Boss Richie, na im name be that. Okay, so Guru come talk to Eugene, come tell am say, okay, guy, how far? Make me and you do music together. You understand? Based on say, I don't know, but for now, maybe una go correct me, but me don't tell where I hear Guru matter. So I don't know, maybe he won't do am based on say he won't make the people come see him again or something. I don't know his reason, but now waiting tell Kuami Eugene. Okay, so Kuami Eugene come tell and say, bros, no be based on bad thing, no, but me and you no fit do collabo right now. Guru come to say, guy, waiting happen. In come tell Guru say, see, you want make me and you do collabo, but you dey fight, you dey insult my boss. I dey talk about Boss Richie now. You dey insult my boss, so therefore I no fit work with you because you no get respect for person wey make me who I be today. Now so Guru can't reply, or Guru can't tell and say, you know, say for this industry, I don't dey there before you. Say I don't do things, I don't get hit songs, I don't, in fact, you don't list the things where you do. You can't tell and say, I no ask you for collabo. I just want make me and you work things because things they had this period, we supposed to support each other. My people, many matter. But I still they find the difference because now still collabo, now one collabo. Hey, my people, this matter now they very hot because everybody they bring their own opinion and decision. Now I say make me I bring them because I need correct many people mind. If you ask me, why me you no disrespect Guru? Now my own decision be that because me dey realistic, make we talk facts now. Based on the thing wey happen, now the normal thing wey any human being fit do. Wait, you dey work for person. Now that person even dey help you. Now that person put you where you dey today. Now because of that person, now everybody know you. And the whole world, not be just your country, the whole world know you. Everything they go where because of that person. So now imagine say person where they insult am, when they beg you, make una work together. You no go gree now. No, see, I no say una decide Guru, some decide Eugene based on your favorite artist. Leave favorite artist now. Leave am for 1 minute or 1 second. Just leave am and think based on facts. Una go agree with me, say this guy no do anything. See, I understand Kuami Eugene part and I understand Guru part. Kuami Eugene won't be say he no fit bite the finger where they feed am. Richie now. He no fit bite the finger where they feed am because now that guy bring am out as I talked before. And Guru part now be say things they hard and they need support each other. But now, make I give you an example. Now, make we use our mama for, you understand, our biological parents. Now, imagine say I come your house, you be my friend, and maybe I can't greet you, me and you get deal. And I see your mama there, I no greet her, now so I just enter. Your mama even they ask me say, you no see me, and I can't do. Then I pass. And your mama can't report me to you, tell you say now wait till I do. When next you see me, you go even talk to me. Now wetin just happen here? You no fit just decide person without thinking because this guy now no do anything bad. I know they see the thing where you do here way bad. I know they against the fact say Guru don't dey there for long, he don't do hit songs, he don't do this one. See, mom be say everybody get level. No matter, see, if you like be the senior, be there for 20 years old. Even if person will start 1 month ago, that person to get level. So we need respect each other decision. And for now where they tell me say Kuami Eugene no go dey Links Entertainment forever. Whether I go dey there forever or not, the fact be say he still dey there. And as long as say dey there, he must respect him boss. He must respect him. But see, now wetin they call loyalty. Many of una no know. Loyalty. And na like this, you know person wey loyal to you. Where even behind your back, the person fit still stand, say no, this na my person. Una understand? So I know say many of una go dey against me, but still drop am there. This matter, no be one day matter. We go battle this matter. Because I must make sure say una see the reasons why they give una. Many of una now go even dey talk, say Guru is right after insulting Richie, this and this. Una no say even this collabo wey they wan collabo now. Una no say na Richie go still allow Kwame make he go do am. He don't die him now. So wetin we dey talk? Wetin see? Know how there's no way you go turn this coin. We no go still land the way we are dey talk. We go still reach the same conclusion. So my own now be say, Eugene and Guru, you understand? Una be brothers. Me, I like peace. Una be brothers. I don't know wetin cause this matter because they talk say na from Richie and Guru. Say Kwame no even dey involved now because of this collabo. Kwame come dey talk now. So now Guru and Richie make una settle una differences. And Kwame now, as you don't join too, Biko try settle. Una be musicians. You are in the same industry. So make una no allow hatred and all those plenty things. Make una no go grow like that. You understand? And as for Kwame, you are still young. You are still young. No allow one small thing now come shift your career or remove one tire from your car. You understand? Keep your calm. I know they don't say una must collabo. Even if the collabo no go happen, but at least make peace reign. Una understand? I don't know if una agree with me. Make peace just reign and my own be that. The thing now, that the problem where Africans get. Africans are be fight each other. I bet make una no forget to. The main reason where we they fight na poverty. No, they not be your fellow brother or your fellow sister. Poverty is the thing we are fighting. So no, they deceived. You understand? So, Biko, Kuami Eugene, Guru, meet una self. Make una sit down. Get this discussion. It is very, very important. You understand? Yes, my people. And don't forget, click on that thing. You understand? And make we debate this thing for that down section. I will see you now later.
People, I don't bring in a matter from Zlatan and DJ Copy, very popular musicians for Nigeria. For now, we no know them. DJ Copy na DJ, in fact, most popular DJ. That girl they do wonders, no be small thing. Una remember Golato song? Hey, who is your daddy? Otedola, na the song be that. After this song, my people, the kind mysteries and wonders will start they happen. And for the beginning, everybody say as normal. You understand? Because normally, music industry, not just music industry, even movie industry, people they get issues, they solve them. You understand? But now, the matter don't they get worse by the day because now different people don't they enter inside this matter. Relax, I don't come give you a better gist. The matter starts after Golato, where Zlatan go block DJ Copy. DJ Copy come the one that say, wetin happen? Golato was a hit. This one. She come they come outside, they ask us questions like say na me get her phone. I been na me get Zlatan phone we block am. She come say Zlatan don't block am for Instagram. He block am for WhatsApp. Say I bet may we help and find out to my people. No be small thing. Now as I dey talk to una, the reason don't come outside. Now you bring a call on the table. Una no go believe say DJ Copy carry Zlatan go Abuja. Say they go do what they call a fundraising, many things. And she even use Zlatan name. Make money, no be change when we dey talk about to make better money. Till today, Zlatan no see one kobo. Even the Golato song where I just sing now, where they do collabo finish, Zlatan no see one kobo. The Abuja where they go, my people, now Zlatan himself remove money from his pocket, pay for hotel bill, not just for himself, for people where follow come, pay for food. They say this girl no even bother to say, okay, make her just do one thing. Meanwhile, now she carry am. Hey, try. The thing just they get fire every day. And now they can't call Zlatan say, Oga, abeg, wetin dey happen? Because this girl don't they give us matter since. Say, you block her, you do this one, and she know they comfortable. Now so Zlatan when they look there like say they speak Spanish. Say, who is that? They go tell her say DJ copy the musician. Zlatan say no, say who be Kosi, even they mistaken with one actress name. This matter I don't know why you just make me they feel happy, sha. My people for now we don't know wetin happen. Many of una self don't even know who this Zlatan. I don't bring am come on aside. Biko, let's watch the video.
What transpired between you blocking Copy on social media and have you unblocked her?
Is it gossip boots?
DJ
Copy. Copy music.
You don't?
Is that an artist?
Copy is a DJ.
Oh.
DJ Copy.
You haven't heard of? You don't know? Okay.
You don't know who that
Okay,
is?
since you don't know.
Chineke. Also no Kosi. Who is that? Is that see, na highest level of disgrace be that, forget am. See how he bring Copy down, he bring her down. Since this matter start, people just dey disturb this girl. If this girl just post something like this, hey, you go see comments. Go and pay Zlatan his money. Go and do this. They don't even want me she rest. Last, she could just leave internet for everybody. And now, see, I won't just see. I don't know why they emphasize on this one because this one they very, very important. My people, courts don't enter this matter. Imagine, from just say person block person now, courts don't they involve. Ask me who they carry go court. Davido crew member. His name na Israel. Many of una go na Alpha. They don't they carry and go court. Oh. Say the boy they insinuate say she no pay her because of post where this guy post. I beg put this thing maybe they see what they talk about. Make you no be say na my own English. I just they add something. You did there. She said because of this post. Say she must carry this guy go court because the guy they lie for her head. I better bring this girl outside. Bring this girl outside. My sister, if na person advise you for this thing where you just come outside right, say we will meet in court. Anybody will give you this advice, no wish you well. She did this at the joke. He no wish you well. You know where you go end with this matter. This thing where you they start like this, you go finish her. See, you go just make everybody now they go hate you. Everybody now go hate you. You think say na everything that they solve for court. I beg, see, some people no just know what to do to do. See, make I just tell you now. Listen very well. No, I know say no be everybody get money. But you now, you just come outside. Any small thing, cut. Because your father get money. Not only you get papa will get money. See, if person do you something, see, you no even need carry court inside this matter. It no dey necessary. You fit deal am with the person one-on-one. Now so your father train you, DJ Copy. Now so they train you. See any small thing, na court. Any small thing, na court. Because now we don't know court now. No be the solution. So if you dey hear me now, I don't come here now talk to you. No be the solution. E get person wey make one statement. Na Ghana man. His name na General Mosquito. Because of this court thing, many things. The man said he be like in the inside the spirit. Any small thing court. Now so the man just come outside come to say, see, any idiot can go to court. You understand that? Any small thing court. Make una dey go now. You dey carry Israel go court because of waiting. Simple thing where this guy. See, this guy no even talk anything bad. He just stated the obvious. When you carry person, you person name. You blow, money come out. You don't even know, say, okay, so you supposed to appreciate person. He stated the obvious. Me, I know they see any insult where they insult you for there. I know they see any money issue where even come out there. except if you know say you dey guilty. Abi my people. Na person wey dey guilty dey follow cases like this o. I no just understand some people. See, this your court case wey you don start na dead on arrival. Because you say as I dey laugh, na so all of us go end up dey laugh you too. I no dey see where you dey go. See, if you know say all the things wey people don dey talk about you or against you no be true, it is very very simple. Come out, show us proof that okay on so day or so month I made this transfer to Zlatan. Everybody mouth go shut up. Everybody mouth go shut up. But as at now, you never even still show us say okay now this thing I do. Wait till you give am. My people, you know say as I dey smile because now almighty OBO don't even enter this matter. Okay, I will sit down here. OBO Omo Baba Lowo. I talk away Omo Baba Olowo. Yes. See, this fight, this battle is about to get hotter and hotter. Imagine this match. Adeleke versus Otedola. Who go win? Because now Davido don't come outside though. Davido don't, yes, now crew member they involved. They won't carry crew member go court. So what is supposed to do? Now to show support. Now what? Like Davido, you know the waste time. And now you know they involved. So we they wait for waiting go happen next. You know that? Because now imagine this one they come outside say her father get money or $10 get money. Davido they support Israel. Davido papa get money. I don't know who you think say rich pass. Drop her for the comment section. Now $10 rich. I been Adeleke rich. I won't know what you think for this matter. My people, as I dey talk to Nana, DJ copy. I just dey pray say this thing where she start, she go finish her. Because anything wey involve Davido, una suppose know. Obio no dey. You know understand? I not just want talk some things for English, understand? But that guy na bad guy. Bad guy. DJ Copy, no go spoil your career. You still dey very young and active. If I be you, listen, if I be you, I go jejely allow this thing lie down. If it's possible, say go meet Zlatan, coded, you no even need come out for public. Go discuss this matter. You understand? Go meet am privately. Say, see, I know say I fall your hand. You understand? We no even need know wetin you tell am. But once we see say una don reconcile, we go understand. As simple as that. Any small thing, cut. Your papa get money, now you the owe person. My people, now the case be this so very serious case, and I want to know what you think. And if una no one forget, una no one miss the continuation of this case, una want know what Davido go do, how the court case go end. Now why una need subscribe and click on that notification bell. If not, you go miss the fight where they come now. Otedola versus Adeleke. The thing not even they sound somehow for your ear. Me, I don't feel wait to. So drop off on the comment section, share this video, make everybody know what they happen here, and click on that notification bell once again. If not, you go miss. I love you guys. See you later.